Good morning, everyone. I hope you are doing well. So, welcome to this small presentation or this video, which is a form of presentation to our course, which is called Introduction to Linguistics. So, to give you small presentation about myself. So, my name is Dr. Noruddin Darqi, and I am currently an associate professor at the University of Mustafa Stamboli in Mascara, Algeria, and this is my email address for students or people who are interested in trying to contact me for whatever reason. So you are all most welcome, and let's proceed. So, introduction to linguistics. In this course, we aim to help students understand what linguistics is all about. Mainly, its major subdisciplines like phonetics, phonology, etc., as shall be explained in the following or in the subsequent slides. Okay, so we are also going to compare and contrast between some trends in linguistics. So while explaining, we are not only going to focus on English, since we are in an Arabic context. So it is also appropriate to understand this field or this science in accordance or in relation to Arabic as well. Okay, and then we are also going to pinpoint or to highlight the practical applications of linguistics. So when we say practical applications here, we are referring to the notion of why linguistics is important, in the sense that it is not just theoretical approach. So we have also practical applications for this science. So what are these practical applications and how are they going to benefit us as human beings? Okay. So for the prerequisites required for this field, so generally speaking, since this course is destined for licensed students or licensed students, I mean undergraduate students, so there is actually just some basic knowledge about English. I mean, students must know how to read and write in English, okay? It would be also great if students could handle could know some of the basic definitions related to this field as well. Okay, so as I said earlier, this course is actually destined for second year license. Application method, I will go with only two methods. So we have a written exam, which is 60% of the mark. This means that students are required to have a written exam based on the chapters we have seen in the semesters, okay? The 40% left of the mark, which will be, generally speaking, destined for assignment. So for the work I gave, for the presentations, the exercises I gave during the classroom, etc. The course plan, so Introduction to Linguistics for second year mainly tries to cover four main learning units. So the first one is an introduction, and it is composed of 7 chapters, okay? So for the first 7 chapters, they are just mainly describing or describing the subfields of linguistics like phonology, phonetics, morphology, syntax, semantics, and pragmatics. So we are going first to define these subfields. We are going to understand how they work. We are going to give examples in Arabic and English about how linguists deal with such fields or with such subfields in linguistics. The second unit is about language acquisition. So we are going to understand how us as human beings are able to acquire language. So this mainly covers two chapters, which are chapter 8 and chapter 9. For the third unit, it is generally related to language and culture. And here we are going to focus on things like language variation, language change, language context, etc. So we are going to see how language is being used in a community. For the fourth and the last part of our course, we are going to highlight the practical applications of linguistics. I mean, how linguistics helped us in developing writing systems, language and computers, and other practical complications or applications. So this was a small introduction to this course. I wish you best luck and have a nice day.